Welcome, in front of me I have LG Q6 and today I will show you how you can check your battery capacity. So at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool, and we have to download application Ampere. This one from Braintrap. Let's open that up. And as you can see, we get here a lot of data, but when you swipe on the right, we can check the maximum capacity of our battery in this place. We got also here the health, temperature, the charge rate if you plug your charger, and data like manufacturer, Android version, or bill ID. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.